Okay, let's talk about parental care once again. Fathers, mothers, when you are discussing sensitive things, how do you go about it? It's not every discussion that you have to do it with your children. It does not matter how old. You should be careful with the type of discussion you have in your house with your children. It may look as if they are not listening to that discussion, but they are grabbing all that you have discussed. They may not be able to discern, to differentiate the information. Since it is from daddy and mommy, they may take it as if it's one of the best. For example, you are having misunderstanding with your neighbors, and then you want to maintain peace, but you are talking violence, telling your children, don't greet this neighbor, don't greet that neighbor. If the child of that neighbor talk to you or want to get close to you, hit them, beat them. You are with him, nothing will happen. If it means to go to police, you are there, you will go with them. Or sometimes if you are in a place that you have to sweep some area of the house, and it's compulsory that every tenant of the house should sweep, and then you now say, okay, this is my boundary. When you sweep, don't enter the neighbor's apartment, don't sweep. But before, you have been doing it because you want to cause violence. You want the child to join with your misunderstanding, and that is why you misunderstand the neighbor by trying to tell your child to fight for you. Please, if you have misunderstanding with your neighbor, don't include your children. Or there is a misunderstanding tendency, maybe a physical quarreling. Be mindful and be careful the things you say, and don't allow such to come in. Now, when we are talking about the other room, for you parents, you understand what I'm talking about. How do you display yourself in front of your children? Do you go about being careless with your words because you feel your child is tender or your child is born again? So because of that, you are being careless with the kind of word you use in your house. Please, for us to have a better society, be careful with the kind of information you put across to your children. There are some age you should not say particular things to your children. There are some words you should not say to your children, or you should not say when they are around. Sometimes it is ideal for you to use proverbs to pass your information. By so doing, you are going to help yourself and your children. Some of you think your children don't know anything, and by so doing, you are careless in your house. Before you now discover that your children has gone far, it's too late for you. Help yourself to help your children, and also help your children to help yourself. Remember, if you have a good child, a child that brings joy to you, you will have joy. But if you raise up a child that brings sorrow to you, you will be sorrowful till death. So for you to avoid being sorrowful till death, or for you to be sad at your old age, make sure you lay the foundation of what you want for yourself and for your family. I said something some days ago about parents being careless, the kind of dress they put on even in the house in front of their children. Some are totally naked in front of them. The mother is totally naked in front of a male child, sometimes matured male child, and you said it's my child, nothing happened. And as a father, totally naked in front of a girl child, you said it's my child and there's nothing wrong. Don't tempt your children, and don't push your children into things that you will regret seeing them do in the future. Or sometimes you want to do practical in the other room, and you do in front of your children, and you say no problem, they are my children, they understand. Parents, be careful and be watchful. A word is enough for a wise man and for a wise woman. Do not allow the trend to push you into things. Tell your children the things you know will help them, not the things that will destroy them. Pray for them, guide them. Don't use your hand to spoil what you have built. Some of you, maybe you have laid a good foundation for your children, but because of carelessness, you now overlook some things and then expose your children to things that will become a destruction to them. Let your action not be the regret you will have in your family. Remain blessed. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to follow our page in Facebook, and then like and comment. Thank you.